Today, we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 421 different strategies, with 132 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 320 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,051 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says new most accurate TradingView indicators for 2025 must have. And so we are going to put these indicators to the test. Now, as far as them being the most accurate, not really sure about that. Again, you would have to test every single indicator to determine whether or not it is indeed the most accurate. But again, we'll go ahead and put it to the test. Now, in the source video, they did mention that they were using this on the gold chart. But I thought since crypto is a little bit explosive at the moment, maybe we should go ahead and try our hand at testing it on Bitcoin. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the SSIFX Global indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is we are going to change the length to 14, the line type to 1, and the smoothing factor to 1. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Heikin RSI oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, jump into the settings. And we're going to change the length to 12 and the open smoothing to 2. Go ahead and click OK. And everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for a long tag like this here from the SSIFX algo indicator. And then we're going to look down to the Heikin RSI, and we want it to have a green bar like this here. Then lastly, we want the candlestick to also be green. Once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, and so that'll put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And we get a dip and then a nice push to the upside there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for a short tag like this here from the SSIFX algo. And then we're going to look down to the Heikin RSI. We want it to have a red bar like this here. And then lastly, we want the candlestick right here to also be red. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this pivot here, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice steady climb down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 20% win rate. And so if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,000 for an overall loss of $10,000 altogether. And so yeah, definitely not a wonderful strategy, and I find it hard to believe that even on a gold chart it would do any better. Really was a over trading strategy, way too many trades, and the indicators didn't work together to filter out any kind of bad trades. They just always lined up together regardless of the trade. Anyway, so just some serious fundamental problems. And so now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did only 15 trades altogether. And again, that's because this strategy just traded so fast and so often, just way over trading. But 15 trades from the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 13 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $2,400 for an overall gain of $5,400. So definitely better results. And if you to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $7,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so just today I closed out winning trade number 49. The day before did winning trade 48. So 2 trades in about 1 day's time. And so that's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. I'll put a screenshot up of the 49th winning trade in a row on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That is again 49 winning trades in a row without taking a losing trade. In backtesting, the combination of these two did so well. They did over 200 winning trades before they finally took a losing trade, and so it's very powerful combination. And again, we're closing on just a few days now, 3-month marker with 100% profitability. And so we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. And you can join our Discord for free and take a look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. This one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.